Well, now you know a whole bunch of stuff about how the camcorder works, how the menus work, and how even to record sound. Now we're going to show you here in Chapter 6 how to take everything you've learned and put it to work in creating a real video. With the hundreds of cameras available today, it's impossible for us to show you everything you need to import or capture your footage into your computer. Your camcorder came with two things that can help you achieve this quickly and easily. The first, of course, is your manual. Locate in your manual how to get your footage into your computer. Chances are there's a simple step-by-step way to do this. It'll usually involve the second thing your camcorder came with, and that is some software. If your camcorder uses a mini DVD, you'll find that you need to finalize the DVD in your camcorder before transferring your clips to the computer. The same is sometimes true to a hard drive-based camcorder and even some memory card-based cameras. Tape-based camcorders you can usually connect to your computer anytime, put the camera in VTR mode, and then capture your footage. We recommend spending some time with both your manual and the software that your camera came with to learn these steps. Once it's in your computer, there are many different software packages you can choose to edit your video and then output it to a DVD or tape or an internet format to view by friends or family. Programs like Microsoft Movie, Vegas Video, and Premiere Elements or Premiere Pro for the PC, and Mac-based applications like iMovie, Final Cut Express, Final Cut Studio Pro, and Premiere Pro, you can generate a great movie in absolutely no time. On this DVD, we can't begin to explain how to use each of these programs, but we do want to teach you how to design your video and how to select the right combination of shots and effects, music, and more to produce a video you're proud to show your friends and family. Your video needs to start with a great-looking title sequence, telling your audience what they're going to see next. There are a number of different ways to create a great title sequence. Let's take a look at a few options. We're going to build a short video about a trip to Granville Island, located in Vancouver, BC. While this is a short video, we want you to use the same ideas and techniques for your projects. To create an intro, you'll want to assemble the following things. 1. A background or a short assortment of photos or shots from the video to quickly cut together. 2. A graphic title telling your audience what the movie is all about. And 3. Some music that adds some interest to the intro. For our intro, we'll start with some quick clips that we'll cut together. You might also want to use some photos you took or a combination of both. Try and make it representative of your movie. Since ours is about a short visit to a local tourist site, we'll use images from there. You'll also want to create a graphic title, and all of today's editing software have a title program built in. So create one with your software. We're editing this on Final Cut, and it has an interesting little program called LiveType that'll give us a simple animation. Lastly, you'll want to use some music, so select a piece of music that fits the area. Vancouver is on the west coast, so we've tried to pick some music that's acoustic and kind of natural. Next, we'll move on to our hostess, who'll introduce where we are.
Hi, and welcome to Granville Island. We're in Vancouver, British Columbia. At this market, you can find virtually anything you need.
Notice how we cut from a wide shot of her to a close-up and then back to a wide shot. Avoid situations where you cut from the same angle and shot. It looks like this, and it's called a jump cut in the biz. Very unprofessional. Next, we're going to show the wide assortment of things we found at the market. So we'll show our hostess at some of the sites looking at some fish and some flowers, sampling some of the local cuisine and more. To end the movie, we'll use a shot of the entrance to the market. I always like to add a date at the end, so in future we'll remember when it was recorded. You'll notice we use the same music as the intro throughout the movie. This is optional, and we wouldn't recommend using music throughout if you have people talking, etc. At the end, we'll fade both of our music and our video to black. Now, a word on effects. A lot of people like to use every single transition that their software program came with. Mostly, If you watch television today, you'll see cuts and dissolves. And an effect is really used just to bring titles in and out and add a little pizzazz. So avoid using your effects on every single cut or transition from scene to scene. So here's our final movie on Granville Island. Let's take a look.
Hi, and welcome to Granville Island. We're in Vancouver, British Columbia. At this market, you can find virtually anything you need.
So that's it. Remember to keep your shots short and think about angles, and make your movie as interesting as you can. It's important too to remember that a shorter video is often better than a longer one. Keep people wanting more. Keep your videos nice and short.